Starting at $249, the Apple Watch SE2 is the company's new mid-range smartwatch, and while not exactly as inexpensive as some of the best cheapest smartwatches, its lower price and features will make it attractive for first-time smartwatch owners and families who want to outfit their kids with a smartwatch. The Apple Watch SE2 is available for a starting price of $249 for the 40mm Wi-Fi model and $299 for the cellular version, and is available starting on September 16. That's $30 less than the starting price of the Apple Watch SE in the US. Since the Apple Watch 3 isn't sold in a cellular version anymore, the Apple Watch SE 2 GPS plus cellular is the most affordable way to free an Apple Watch from any of the best iPhones. That makes the Apple Watch SE 2 a good choice for family setup if you want to outfit your child or parent with a smartwatch for communication and safety controls. The Apple Watch SE 2 will come in three finishes: silver, midnight, and starlight. The Apple Watch SE 2 is one of the three new Apple Watch versions coming in 2022, along with the Apple Watch 8 and Apple Watch Ultra Iraq variant. The battery life of SE2 to be the same as with most other Apple Watch models, around 18 hours, but a new low battery mode which is rolling out to all Apple Watch models Series 4 and later will provide up to 36 hours of battery life. Much of the Apple Watch performance is centered around watchOS. The first Apple Watch SE can be updated to watchOS 8, the latest version of Apple's wearable software, improving the messaging options, adding support for digital keys, and welcoming the mindfulness app. When watchOS 9 is teased at the next WWDC, you will have a better sense at what the Apple Watch SE2 experience could look like. It also looks like the Apple Watch SE2 marks the end of the Apple Watch 3. 4 years later, it was more than time to retire the third generation Apple Watch. Let the SE2 be the sole and true equivalent of the iPhone SE in Apple's handset lineup. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, feel free to share it with friends and keep watching Review Arena to get your top-notch day-to-day commodities reviewed.